In today's program, we're talking about the author Daniel Keyes, who wrote the story Flowers for Algernon. With me today is Professor Higgins from Manchester University. So Professor, what can you tell us about Daniel Keyes as a boy?
Daniel Keyes was born in New York in 1927. As a boy he used to work in a bakery from 4 until 7 in the morning before he went to school. You notice that the main character in Flowers for Algernon also works in a bakery.
That's interesting. What did he do when he finished school?
After school, he spent some time in the Navy and then studied psychology at university. Many of his novels are also about psychology. For example, Flowers for Algernon asks the question, how does your intelligence affect your character and how people treat you?
Did he used to write novels at university?
No, he didn't. After university, he taught English at a secondary school. He also taught students who found it very difficult to read. This was another experience he used in Flowers for Algernon. The main character also goes to a school because he cannot read.
So when did he start writing stories?
While he was a teacher, he also used to write in his spare time. Flowers for Algernon was published as a short story in a magazine in 1959. He later wrote it as a complete novel in 1960.
Was it successful?
It was very successful. It was also made into a film called Charlie. In 1968 the story also became a television film and play.
Did he write any other novels?
Yes, he did. 8 of his books were published, but none of them was as successful as Flowers for Algernon. When he was younger, he also used to write comics, although he didn't used to use his own name in the comics. He called himself Chris Daniels. He died in 2014 aged 86.
Thank you, Professor.